Okay, let's see. First, we got Wally, the Walmart car. Oh, and look at this one. Wow, and look, who's in there? Look at that. Okay, let's see. Oh, it's Lightning McQueen. Let's see McQueen. There he is. Broom, broom. Okay, McQueen. Let's put you away. Let's put him back. And look, number 5. Let's see. Look, number 5 is super sparkly. Okay, let's put it back. And we got number 21. Let's see. Oh, look at that. There are 2 little 21s. Look at them. Oh, aren't they cute? All right. Let's get Mack and fill him up. We got all his friends to go. Mater can sit here and watch with number 51 Dynaco. Okay. Wait. What's that one? We got number 21. Yay. Okay, this one. Another 21. The next one. And look, this one's a school bus. What's next? McQueen. A police officer Mater. A blue McQueen. A Rambulance. What's number that one? Number 54. Purple. Number 95 McQueen. That's gray. Number 51. Ooh, and a gray one. What's that one? That one's number 4. Oh, it's Chick Hicks. And another one. Ooh, and a McQueen. And a truck. And a number 51 Dynaco. Okay, that was it. Let's see. Look. He's all packed up. Wow, look at all those cars.
Mack.
In Mack. Yay. Oh, it's all those trucks. We got Mater, number 51 Dynaco, and Blinker, number 21, number 5. Oh, look, it's another Mack. I don't know his name. And then Wally.
Mack.
And look, this Mack holds all his friends.